Have you ever looked at your wallet and thought, where does all my money go? That's exactly what Emily, a high school student, wondered one day. She had dreams, big dreams, of going to college, helping her mom with bills, and maybe even starting her own business someday. But mounting expenses, those dreams felt like they were slipping away. One evening, as Emily sat at the kitchen table, her mom placed a hand on her shoulder. "Emily," she said, "I know it's tough right now, but remember, tough times don't last. Tough people do." Those words lit a spark in Emily's heart. She decided she wouldn't just wait for things to get better. She was going to take control. The next day, Emily did something different. She pulled out her laptop and Googled how to make money online. At first, the results overwhelmed her: selling crafts, tutoring, freelancing. It was a lot to process. But then one idea stood out: social media management. Emily realized she spent hours on Instagram and TikTok every day. Why not turn that into a skill? She decided to learn everything she could about growing accounts, creating content, and understanding analytics. But starting wasn't easy. Emily didn't have fancy tools or a big budget. She borrowed her mom's old phone, used free design apps, and watched hours of YouTube tutorials. Slowly, she built her skills. Her first breakthrough came when she noticed a small bakery near her school struggling with its online presence. Their Instagram page had just a handful of followers, and their posts barely got any likes. With a mix of courage and nervousness, Emily walked into the bakery one afternoon and introduced herself to the owner, Mrs. Green. "Hi, I'm Emily," she said. "I love your cupcakes, but I noticed your Instagram page could use some help. I'd love to manage it for you and bring in more customers." Mrs. Green smiled but looked skeptical. "And how much will this cost me?" she asked. Emily replied confidently, "Let's do a trial month for free. If you see results, we can talk about payment." Emily poured her heart into the bakery's Instagram. She clicked pictures of cupcakes with her mom's old phone, wrote catchy captions, and even created short videos showing the baking process. She spent evenings engaging with followers and responding to comments. By the end of the month, the bakery's followers had tripled, and foot traffic increased noticeably. Mrs. Green was thrilled and offered Emily her first paid gig, $200 a month to manage the account. With her first payment in hand, Emily felt unstoppable. She reinvested some of the money into better tools, a ring light, and a second-hand tripod. Word spread, and soon, a local gym and a boutique hired her to manage their social media too. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. There were nights when she stayed up late editing videos, mornings when she doubted if she could handle school and work, and times when clients were hard to please. One day, after a particularly tough week, Emily broke down. "Maybe I'm not cut out for this," she thought. But then she remembered her mom's words: "Tough times don't last, tough people do." By the time Emily graduated high school, she had 5 steady clients and was earning over $1,000 a month. She used the money to pay for her first year of college, buy her mom a new phone, and even save for her future business. But her journey wasn't just about the money. It was about the confidence she gained, the skills she learned, and the realization that she could take control of her life. Emily's story is proof that you don't need to wait for the perfect moment to start. You don't need fancy tools or a big budget. All you need is a willingness to learn, the courage to take the first step, and the persistence to keep going when things get tough. If she can do it, so can you. What's stopping you from starting your side hustle today? Whether it's selling art, freelancing, or offering a service, the opportunities are endless. Your journey to financial independence starts with one small step. Don't wait.